everyone, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we're gonna do unboxing and installing a DIY 3D frameless wall clock. So let's get started. So I got this from Amazon, and I believe they're like $23.99. And this is a Roman numeral wall clock. So this is pretty easy to install, and it came with this EVA foam stickers. These are the instructions. And these are the paper space roller where you want to measure how big you want your wall clock, and 2 hands for the clock, and these are the color of the mirror. It's self-adhesive too, so you just need to stick that onto the foam. Alright. So it came with this, I believe this is a wall clock tray where you put your battery, and you need a AA battery. You just need one. Came with a nail and some tips, which I really didn't pay attention to it. But yeah, let's get started. So the first things I did is just take those apart. And then I place those mirrors, Roman numeral mirrors, onto the corresponding numbers onto EVA foam stickers. So what you need is just peel off those paper on the back, and this is a self-adhesive. So this is the wall where I want to put the clock. So what you need to do is just measure how big you want your wall clock, and it gives you how, the roller, how big. So I decided to put it in about 45 inches. So keep on watching. And here is the final result. So like I said, the instructions are pretty easy to follow, and the only regret I have is I wish I have a different color, because I forgot that I have a silver wall. So I hope you guys like this video, and thank you for watching. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye bye.